On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for Image Splitter, and click on the Image Splitter app. This allows you to split your images into sections. So sometimes you'll see Instagram posts where people split their images into different sections and then post them one by one. And when you take a step back and look at it from an overall view, you can see how it all comes together. So we're going to create that here. We can adjust the number of rows. We can adjust the number of columns. We can adjust some other border options here. We can adjust whether or not we want it to be in an inner position or outer position. I'm going to keep it in inner. We can adjust the border size. We can adjust the border style. We can also adjust the border color. And we can also adjust the border radius. Once I'm done adjusting those parameters, then I can split the image. I can either have it in separate designs, so I can add each splitted image one by one, or I can go to the grid view, and this is what it looks like when I split the image. And if I'm not satisfied with something, I can always go back and readjust my parameters here and split the image again. And we can make some further adjustments here by adjusting, for example, grid spacing. If I'm satisfied with this result, then I can add this to my design. And now my image has been split into multiple rows and sections. Notice how this is all held together in a group. If I ungroup it, I can drag sections around in different locations if I want. But if I want to keep it in a group, I can leave it as this. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.